orders.
No problem. Burger is cake. Gattu will cook without break.
Food Express. Order right, you will get coins day and night.
The link is given in the description. Download quickly the Puntun Kids game and the fun begins.
Helicopter. It was evening and Gattu and Chinky were playing in the park.
Chinky, it's been so long. Bunty, Hari and Goody haven't come yet. We'll be late for playing. If we get too late, Mummy will scold us. Yes, Gattu. I think they will come late today. It's okay. Let's play until then. Tell me, what game do you want to play?
Just then, Gattu noticed a helicopter a little distance away.
Look, Chinky. There is a helicopter and it has a remote too. Yes, Gattu. But whose could it be? I don't see anyone around.
Then Gattu tried to fly the helicopter, but he was not able to start it.
Oh, looks like this helicopter is broken, Chinky. Maybe whoever owns it left it here. Otherwise, why would someone throw away their helicopter like this? Oh, but Gattu, that's not right. This isn't a place to litter. Okay, let's take it home and show it to Mummy. She'll tell us what to do next. Yes, that's a good idea. Let's go to Mummy quickly.
Gattu and Chinky rushed back and showed the helicopter to Mummy.
Gattu, Chinky, this isn't right. You shouldn't bring someone else's things home like this. Maybe the owner is looking for it. No, Mummy, we searched a lot but didn't see anyone around. That's why we brought it home. Okay, but I don't know if this helicopter is okay or if it's broken. Bringing it here was pointless. Maybe it was thrown away because it's broken.
Gattu, Chinky and Mummy were discussing when Papa arrived and Mummy told him everything. Really? Show me. Let me see what's wrong with this helicopter. Papa examined the helicopter to see what is wrong with it, while Gattu and Chinky watched him eagerly. Kids, this helicopter isn't broken. It just has a loose wire. Let me fix it right now. Saying this, Papa fixed the helicopter and Gattu and Chinky started jumping with joy.
Wow, Papa, you're amazing. You fixed it perfectly. Yes, Papa, thank you so much.
Welcome, kids. But are you sure there was no other child around who could own this helicopter?
Yes, Papa, we checked everywhere. There was no one around.
Alright then. You can play with it. Gattu and Chinky were very happy to hear this and eagerly waited for the next day to play with the helicopter. The next day arrived and after returning from school, they went straight to the park to play. They were very excited to fly their new helicopter.
Wow, Chinky, this helicopter flies so high. Yes, Gattu, now it's my turn. Okay, Chinky, just give me 2 more minutes, then you can fly it.
Gattu and Chinky were flying the helicopter when suddenly another child and his father arrived.
Hello, my name is Chiku and this helicopter is mine. What? This is yours? But we searched for you everywhere yesterday and didn't see you. Yes, and we found this helicopter right here. If this helicopter is yours, then why did you throw it away here like this? Sorry, I was playing with my helicopter for a long time and then it suddenly fell to the ground. I thought it was broken, so I left it here.
Chiku, you did wrong, son. We shouldn't throw things anywhere.
Sorry, Papa. I will be more careful next time. But friends, this helicopter was broken, right? How did you fix it?
Gattu and Chinky started laughing after hearing Chiku's question.
No, Chiku, this helicopter wasn't broken. It just had a loose wire. And our Papa fixed that. And you threw it away for no reason. Gattu, let's return Chiku's helicopter. What? Okay, fine.
Upon hearing about returning the helicopter, Gattu felt a bit sad, but still decided to return it to Chiku. No, kids. This helicopter is yours now because you both helped fix it together. Consider it a gift from us.
Really, Uncle? Can we keep it?
Yes, kids, of course.
Wow, thank you, Uncle. Thank you, Chiku. Let's all fly the helicopter together once. It will be so much fun. Oh, can I fly it too? Of course, Chiku. After all, it's yours. Thank you so much, Chinky. You both are really nice.
Gattu, Chinky and Chiku flew the helicopter together. And later, Gattu and Chinky excitedly told Mummy and Papa everything when they returned home.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.